yogurt from home. And what you will need is a large crock pot because we're going to make a gallon. Some sort of dish to mix the yogurt mixture in. A thermometer and a mixing spoon. For the recipe, I have a gallon of milk, 12 ounces of yogurt, and a packet of instant dry milk. And this is 3.2 ounces. The first thing we're going to do is, I should already have the milk in here, but pour the milk in the crock pot. And I get the largest crock pot I can find because the regular crock pot will not hold a gallon. And I'll go through a gallon of yogurt in about 2 weeks. And I turn it on high, and I will heat it up to 180 degrees, and that's what you need your thermometer for. And with this amount of milk, it will take, depending on your crock pot and all of the variants, it will take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours to heat it up to 180. I've had as much as 3 hours, so I will be back and go on with the next step. Okay, I am back. I have tested the temperature in here. It is at 180. The next step is to unplug the crock pot, and you can leave the lid on if you like, but to cool it down a little bit quicker, I leave the cover off. And you should check for a temperature of 110 degrees for the next step. And I will get to that in the next step. Until then, I'll see you. Okay, I am back for the last part. I just took a cup of milk, warm milk. It's down to 110 degrees now. Out of here, and put it into here, and put a packet of dry milk and 12 ounces of high live culture probiotic milk, or you can do Greek style, or not milk, yogurt, or you can do Greek yogurt and make it Greek yogurt. But I mixed it all together really well, and then I want to put this back in here. And I'll stir this up real well. As much of that out of there as you can. And then I'll stir this. And it's thicker already. And you'll put your lid back on. I'm going to wipe this off. And the last step is to cover this with blankets or towels or whatever you crochet baby blankets or afghans, which will keep it warmer longer. It's probably going to be enough, but I'm going to put 3 on it. And this will, letting it sit and cure under a warm blanket will set the culture and let it set. And the end result is homemade yogurt. And I will, when it's done, I will either measure it out into individual servings like this, or put it in quart or pint-sized jars. And I will usually get about 3.5 quarts to 4 quarts of homemade yogurt out of this. I hope you enjoyed this video of me making my yogurt. Until next time, I will see you real soon. Bye.